Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier Webhooks to connect your apps, full guide step by step clearly. To install Zapier Webhooks to connect your apps, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, click on Make a Zap at the top of the dashboard. In the Trigger section, search for Webhooks by Zapier and select it. You will see a prompt to choose a trigger event. Select Catch Hook and then click on Continue. Zapier will generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy the webhook URL by clicking on the clipboard icon. Now, navigate to the app that you want to send data from. In that app, look for an option to send a webhook. Paste the copied webhook URL into the designated field. Configure the webhook settings as required by your app. After setting up, ensure to test the webhook in that app. Return to your Zapier dashboard after the test is successful. Click on Test Trigger in Zapier to confirm it's receiving data. Once the test is successful, click on Continue to proceed. Next, set up that action section by choosing the app where you want to send data. Select the specific action event you want to perform in that app. Click on Continue and connect your other app if you haven't done so already. Map the data fields from the webhook to the corresponding fields in your action app. Click on Continue. You can test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap. Your Zapier webhook is now set up and ready to connect your apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.